What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this premium logo reveal animation in Premiere Pro in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Premiere Pro and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Open your Premiere Pro project where you'd like to create this animation. Navigate to the Windows option in the title bar. Then select all panels in the workspaces. Once the new workspace is loaded, ensure that your logo is imported into the project section. Click on Essential Graphics located on the right side of the window. In the bottom right corner of the Essential Graphics window, you'll find a small button to install a new motion graphics template. Click on it and navigate to your extracted folder. Within the MOGRT folder, locate the template. Click on it, then click Open to install it into your project. Create a new composition by right-clicking the blank space of the project window. Then select New Item followed by Sequence. Name your sequence and press Enter to complete the process. Drag and drop the newly imported template into the sequence. A prompt may appear asking to change the sequence settings. Confirm it according to your preference. Double-click on the layer in the sequence. A template edit window will open on the right side of your screen. Drag and drop your logo from the project window onto the logo in the edit window. Make sure that your imported logo file is in PNG format or any other format that allows for transparent backgrounds. To change the tagline, click on the text and write your desired tagline in the provided box. For this tutorial, we'll use Tagline. That's it. You can now preview the animation by playing the footage. To export the file, press Ctrl and M, adjust the render settings and render location if needed. Then press the Export button at the bottom. Your file will begin rendering. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.